Thank you for visiting West Coast Auto Enthusiast. Today we're featuring a 2002 BMW Z3 Roadster. This is a 3-liter car. It's a 5-speed. It's got 53,000 miles on it. It's a clean title. There is minor damage that shows on the Carfax report. AutoCheck has this as a single owner. Carfax now reports it as a 2-owner. We bought it because it has a factory hardtop, which we have. It's got all the accessories with it. We've got the tonneau cover. We have an indoor cover. We have a plastic protectant for the soft top when you put the window down to protect the plastic. It's got new tires on it. The wheels are in good shape. There is paintwork on the hood. The hood has been repainted, and the right, or I guess the driver's side rear quarter panel, but they do have the original VIN tags on them. So, and that we like. I've got pictures of all that stuff if you're looking for it. So we have all the accessories. We have the books, all the master keys. The original tools are all in place. I've got pictures of all that stuff. The body and paint are in really, really good shape. There's the trim around the, on the soft top, the trim around the plastic is coming off. I would say that's cosmetically the only thing of note. The hardtop's in really good shape. I've got pictures of that. So if you haven't driven one of these, some people would say it's the purest sports car BMW's ever built. They're not known for that. This is one of the best engines they've built, I would say. The other thing about them is they're not fast, but they handle like nobody's business, and really a really enjoyable driving experience. Just pure BMW if you haven't been behind the wheel of one, and the manual transmission is by far the way to go. So there's some curb rash down there on the lip. We've had it touched up, but we're not going to do anything more than that. You can see the paint is, I mean, the hood, the paintwork on the hood is good, and the paintwork on the back quarter panel is good. Just want to make sure people know that that's been done. And if you're not familiar with what I was talking, there's a VIN. So there should be one of those on the fenders and the doors and the hood and the trunk. And there are. We've got pictures of all of them. So cosmetically, you can see, I mean, the seat, that's, it's 22-year-old upholstery. Really, really clean. Center console. It's in really good shape for its age. And we love the fact it has the factory hardtop and that was on the window sticker. What most people have done is gone out and bought a hardtop afterwards and then had it repainted to match the body. So this actually came with the car when it was ordered new and is still available. So passenger side door, passenger side seat, the dash. You can tell it's been stored indoors. We have an indoor cover. We've got the tonneau cover. We've got all the books, the manuals. You can see there's no codes or indicator lights. 53,514 miles. 5-speed transmission. Power windows. Air conditioning. We've got the code for this, so and it's in the book, so we know what it is. But people have tried to enter it so much that we're gonna have to let it run for an hour, and then we'll re-enter that, and then that will be back up and running for what that's worth. I mean, all the wood is in really good shape. A lot of times you'll see this is bleached or peeled or cracked. Not the case on this car. These are definitely collectible, along with just such a great driving experience in the summer. And if you followed them, the coupes have gotten ridiculously expensive, and these have maintained their value but are still affordable. So, and we love the low mileage, low ownership, good service history, and then all the accessories that came with it when it was new. So I've got pictures of the hardtop, of the soft top, all the accessories. If you have questions or would like additional information, please feel free to contact us, and we can be reached at 503-227-2354. And thank you for visiting West Coast Auto Enthusiast.